Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're planning an international adventure and wondering how to make your Discover card work seamlessly abroad, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about using your Discover card internationally. Let's get started. First off, Discover cards are accepted in over 200 countries and territories, but they're not as ubiquitous as Visa or MasterCard. Before you jet off, head to the Discover website or app to use their Global Acceptance Locator. This tool lets you search for merchants and ATMs that accept Discover, so you can plan ahead and avoid surprises. One key thing to watch out for is foreign transaction fees. Discover typically doesn't charge these on most cards, which is a huge plus compared to other issuers. But always double-check your specific card's terms to confirm. This can save you a bundle on currency conversion costs. Now, let's talk about preparation. The most important step is notifying Discover of your travel plans. Log into your account online or through the app and set up a travel notification. This tells the bank you'll be using your card abroad, preventing any holds or declines due to fraud detection. Without this, your card might get frozen mid-trip. Nobody wants that. When you're on the ground, using your card is straightforward. For purchases, just swipe, insert, or tap as you would at home. Discover supports chip and PIN in many locations, enhancing security. If you need cash, look for ATMs in the Discover network to minimize fees, but remember, some international ATMs might charge their own withdrawal fees. Security is always a priority. Keep an eye on your account through the mobile app, and enable transaction alerts for real-time notifications. If something looks off, contact Discover immediately. They have 24/7 customer support. Finally, while Discover is reliable, it's smart to have a backup like a Visa or cash, just in case. And don't forget, you can still earn rewards on international purchases, so rack up those points while exploring. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Safe travels, and see you next time.